Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Cookery. Today we'll be making scones and our three ingredients are self-raising flour, thickened cream, and a special ingredient is lemonade. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees or 180 degrees fan forced. Next, line a baking tray with some baking paper. Measure out your flour, cream, and lemonade into one bowl and mix with a spoon until the flour is just combined. Try not to overmix your mixture because this will lead to tough scones. At this point, the dough should be soft and fairly sticky. Once it looks like this texture, you want to put it on a lightly floured surface. Lightly flour your bench top and turn out the dough onto the table. Knead your dough only 3 to 5 times. Again, try not to overwork the dough, otherwise the scones will turn out quite dense after you've baked them. Make a disc about 1 inch thick with the dough. If you find that it's a bit too sticky, you can always lightly flour your hands for this process. Grab a round scone cutter, or alternatively you can use a cup. Using a scone cutter or the edge of a cup, you want to push down into the dough to form nice round circles. Try not to twist as you push down the scone cutter because this will release air from the dough and will leave your scones a little less fluffier. What you want to do instead is you want to push straight down so it holds onto as much air as it can, leading to fluffier scones in the end. Using a knife, scoop up the circles of dough and place onto your tray. Try to let the scones touch each other ever so slightly because this will help them rise up together. The last step is to brush a thin layer of milk on the tops of your scones. This will just help the scones to become golden brown and to smooth out the surfaces. Pop them in your oven and bake for 15 minutes until golden brown on the top. Allow your scones to cool for about 10 minutes. And once that's over, it's all ready to serve with some cream and jam. And I do recommend eating these while they are hot because they are the most delicious at this time. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's super easy and it leads to great, fluffy, moist scones. And here we have it.
Scones.
Yummy.
So good.
Yeah, you gotta eat these warm.
I like how it's crunchy on the outside, but like very fluffy on the inside.
And
the jam complements it so well.
make sure you use lemonade and eat it warm because they're really nice and fluffy when you do that.
Yeah.
Try the recipe out. Thanks guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Subscribe if you want to see the next episode.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
sorry. You should say it.
Oh no, I was gonna say, here on Simple Cookery, we make simple recipes to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, I'm out.